Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
On the sidewalk,
Yeah,
it'll be
go on the
easier.
sidewalk, honey. Let me pick you up, little one.
Gracie just learned how to pedal a bike seconds ago.
You ready? Here we go.
Okay, show us, Grace.
Little more muscle. Use your
There you
muscles.
go. Look at that.
More muscles, honey. There you go. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. A little harder. Push with your muscles. There you go. Gotta push like this. Push, and push, and push.
Yep, she can do it. She does it.
I know. That's my baby Ken.
Okay.
No,
Yeah, you
I
have to get.
I just came out to watch it for a second.
Okay, push this one, Gracie. Push this one. Yep, push. Okay, push. Good job. Now push that one. Good. Now push this. Oh, you're going backwards. Go forward. Push forward. Good job. Now push that one. Yep, push down. Push down on that one first. Okay? Now, sometimes you need to move your body to give it a little start. Move your body forward, Gracie. Oh, Sana's gonna show us. Are you pushing, Sana? You know how to ride a bike too? It would be easier for her if that was off the blue thing.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, you need to. Do you have the tool?
But I think they would require
Gracie, push again. Show Mommy one more time. Good job. Okay, forward. Okay, forward. Good. Forward. 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 Good. Forward. Move your body up so it goes forward. Okay, forward. Yeah, you got it. Pretty soon you'll go faster. This is the first day. Okay, say bye, Gracie.
Bye.
Say tell me how old you are.
2.
2.5. Okay, bye-bye.